Now, have you thought of this? You work hard, you show up at work every day, you stay late when you need to. Even sometimes you work overtime, but still, you check your bank accounts and wonder, why does it feel like I'm not moving forward? Today, I want to talk about something they never teach you in school, and something that quietly holds millions of people back, and that is why salary alone can't make you rich. And more importantly, I will show you what you can do about it. Now let's get real. We all know that a salary gives you comfort, stability. What about wealth? No, not even close. This is what usually happens. You get your salary and then you pay your rent, you pay your bills, maybe you pay down a little debt, you buy groceries, you cover transport and so on, and then it's gone. And that's not even living luxuriously. That's just surviving. Now this is the trap. You earn just enough to keep coming back, not enough to break free. Most of us were raised to believe good job equals a good life, which is absolutely not true. Here is a cold truth. Your job is not your safety net. One decision from management, one economic downturn, or even one email can take away your job. Think about it. Your salary stops the moment your job stops. You trade your time for money, but when you can't trade that time, the money also stops coming. So what's the real wealth? Real wealth is not just money. It's freedom. It's options. It's waking up and deciding how you want to spend your time. Wealth means not panicking when your car breaks down, not holding your breath at the grocery checkout. Wealth is peace of mind, and that kind of wealth doesn't come from a salary. It comes from assets, from ownerships, from multiple streams of income, from the things you build, not just the work you do. Now here is a fact that changed my life. The average millionaire has more than 7 streams of income. Yeah, more than 7. Now ask yourself, how many do you have? If your answer is 1 and it's your salary, then you are vulnerable. Millionaires think in terms of value, not time. They write books, they create content, they invest, they sell, they build things that pay them while they sleep. That is offering value to people in exchange of money. You don't need $1 million to start. You just need to think differently. What value can I offer to people? What value can I sell out to people? And then you start making your money. Now let's talk solutions. If you are still watching, it means you are ready and serious to build wealth. So here are 5 steps you can take if you want to start investing today. First, you need to learn financial literacy. Before you become an expert in everything, you need knowledge. That is why a doctor will spend many years in the medical school before he becomes an expert in his field. This is the same when it comes to financial freedom. You cannot build wealth when you do not have financial knowledge. You need to read, you need to watch, you need to listen, you need to learn how money works. The system wasn't designed to teach you this, so you have to teach yourself. And in teaching yourself, it is needful to subscribe to this channel to help expand your knowledge in financial literacy. Secondly, live below your means. Not forever, just long enough to build in the start. Cut down expenses so you can invest in your future. Guess what I did when I started this investment journey? I tried cutting down my expenses by 50%, and then I channeled all that money into my investment portfolios. If I was able to do it, I challenge you to do the same if you want to build wealth. Third, build multiple streams of income. How you can do freelance. This is very flexible to do even if you have busy schedules. Sell your products, sell a service. You can find any product that is in high demand, either within your locality or your online space, and make money out of it. You can also use your skills like graphic designing, content creation, or any skill you have, and then you find the people that are in need of that skill, attend to their need, then you begin to make money. You don't need to make thousands, just get started, and as time goes on, you'll be attracting more customers. Just be selling value. Make sure what you're selling is valuable and it's quality. They begin to attract customers. Even your customers will try to link you to different people. They will try to sell your product for you indirectly without you knowing. By the time you realize, you'll be making millions of dollars. Now, 4, invest wisely. Start small. With time, this little investment will compound and become very huge. I will advise you not to invest in anything that you do not know. This is why I stated earlier the importance of financial literacy. You can seek for advice from a good financial analyst, not a financial analyst, a good financial analyst. Any analyst you know who is good, before you go into any investment. Number 5, create assets. Now, asset is something that pays you again and again and again and again. It can be a digital product, course, a book, a blog, or a business. The goal isn't to quit your job. The goal is to stop depending on it. Now, let me ask you something. Why do you want to be rich? Is it to take care of your family? Is it to give your kids the life you don't have? Is it to travel around the world or to help others? Your why is your fuel, because when things get hard, you need something deeper than just money to keep going. Your salary is a tool, but it's not the finish line. Use it to build, use it to invest, use it to create freedom, because you weren't born just to wake up, work, pay bills, and repeat that cycle. You were born to live. Now here's a summary of how to start investing from today. Learn financial literacy, live below your means, build multiple streams of income, invest wisely, and then create assets. If this message spoke to you, share it. Someone out there needs to hear this. See you in the next video, where I'll be sharing high income assets you can invest in with any little amount you have. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and let me know your comments in the comment section.